Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to schedule an academic advising appointment. To start, navigate to paradisevalley.edu, which we're currently at. Scroll down to the Online Services Now Available page. Head to the Academic Advising link. This tells you about virtual walk-ins, which when you click this link, you will be asked to log into Canvas. And once you're logged into Canvas, you'll be sent directly into an advising appointment. They'll ask you a series of questions, and then you will be having an appointment with your advisor. But if you're not ready for a walk-in appointment, you can always just schedule an appointment. So for example, these are all the advisors that PVCC offers, all of their majors that they cover. So let's say I want to make an appointment with Kimberlyn. I will click on the schedule appointment link. Do I want a general advising appointment or a walk-in advising appointment? I will go with a general advising appointment. To schedule the appointment, I will need to select a date, a reason for my meeting. So let's say just an academic plan, which could mean scheduling classes or dropping from classes or anything like that. A meeting location, so I could either meet on the phone or on video. I'll meet on video. A meeting date, which I selected above, and a time. There's three options here. I'll select 10:30. And this is the advising information form. Essentially, it's a series of questions like your name, phone number, student ID, major, questions that the advisor would like to know before you schedule an appointment. And once you fill out all of these, you will schedule the appointment.